What are the benefits of selling to a home investor? I'm Shelly with the Holz Group at Keller Williams. We get asked all the time, should we just target a home investor when we're selling our property? Well, there are key 3 benefits to selling to an investor. One is if the property should be sold in as-is condition. Now, sometimes people just don't want to do the staging and want to sell it as is, or the property condition is such that it's not worth doing the staging. That's tip or benefit number 1. However, number 2 is it also can be a fast close, which ties in to tip number 3 and the reason why sometimes people will target home investors, and that is cash purchases. I'm sure you see all over the place fast, instant cash offers. Those are investors looking to give cash offers on homes. So if someone needs cash fast and the property is in condition that staging just doesn't make sense, then perhaps targeting a home investor does make sense. If you're thinking about selling your home to an investor and want to get instant cash offers, contact us today. We have access and connections to a variety of investors that could be a great fit for you.